According to what we're flushing, Australian meth use could be at a record high. But here's why some experts aren't sounding the alarm. Since 2016, Australia has run a wastewater drug monitoring program. It's been testing sewage right across the country in order to estimate the quantities of different drugs being consumed by the population. This time, national data came back with a 10-year high for methamphetamine. It found cocaine on the rise, MDMA possibly leveling off, and heroin fluctuating. The methamphetamine levels showed a nearly 25% jump from the year before. So is that cause for concern?
The wastewater testing is a really specific measure and it can't be just taken on its own. If you see a 25% increase, that doesn't mean that there's been a 25% increase in the number of people who are using.
What these results can't do is tell us if more people are using a drug, if the same amount of people are using more of it, or if they're using a more potent form.
It could be a normal fluctuation. It could be something to be worried about, but it's just an early indicator and we do need to look further.
From this year, Australian authorities will also be testing wastewater in a similar way for diseases like COVID-19 and influenza. Similarly, they'll be looking for the overall picture to see what levels are in the community and to keep an eye out for emerging diseases. Dr. Lee says in terms of the recent drug monitoring results, the biggest takeaway is how resilient the drug market is.
Wastewater just, it goes up and down, and over time it's pretty consistent. But it really does show that the drug markets don't go away. It doesn't really matter how much money or effort law enforcement spends on trying to arrest people, it always just bounces back up again.
While the program only gives a general picture, it can be more accurate than self-surveys, and Dr. Lee says it's a good way to confirm where harm reduction efforts are needed.